Hey, what's up, guys? This is my KFX 400, and I was riding it, and I think the starter went out. I think the starter went out on it. That's how I was riding. Got it flat, and I can't see a hole, but got to air it up. But now I want to run. See, I'll take the seat off. Oh, there's the problem. The ground wire came loose right there. See? I'll try to start it. Turn the choke on. So it wants to start, but just can't. I think it's the starter. It's the starter and the carburetor messed up. So I'm gonna take it to the shop, see what they can do to it. What the heck? There it is. I got new tires over here, so tires aren't such a big deal. Tires. It's pretty good quiet. Just the plastics are a little crooked. Alright guys, just personal message me or inbox me and tell me what the problem might be. I think it's a starter, because I had the pop started. The pop started and it runs, and if I let it idle for like 3 or 4 seconds, it idles real slow, then it cuts off. Alright, see you guys. With the choke off, choke on. See? It doesn't want to do it.